Hey, what's up, guys? So I have a Jeep Patriot 2016. Earlier today, my radio wouldn't start. So pretty much what I ended up doing was trying to see where I can select where I can restart the radio, in other words. And so I was able to find this little button here. So all you need to do, if your radio screen is black and you can't touch these buttons here, or the light doesn't turn on, but your battery is still good, your fuses are still good, just click this little button that pretty much resets the whole radio. So again, if your screen is black for some reason, the lights on the side here don't turn on, but your battery is good, your fuses are good, just get a little pin, push that button, and that'll reset the whole radio.